Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to go right back to basics. And really, the fundamentals of bridge, if you don't have them in place, you won't lift off. So let's look at the area, a very big area, of opener's second bid. When they've opened a suit and their partner has responded and it comes back to opener. There are 4 types of hands that opener could have. And the one I'd like to look at this week is a single suited hand. A single suited hand is not a 5-card suit, it's actually 6 or more cards of your own suit. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to open with your single suitor and then rebid it. The level at which you rebid it also shows how many points you've got in your hand. So try this hand, and if you're a gold member, there are many lessons on opener's rebid. It's such a vital area that I'd like to spend some time talking about it and practicing all the different types of hands that you could have as opener when you make your second bid in the auction. Have a good week, everyone. Partner has opened 1 diamond in first seat, and we have 11 points and a very nice heart suit. 6 cards, ace, queen, jack, 10, 9, X. So we simply respond 1 heart. This is forcing, showing 6 or more points and 4 or more hearts. And now partner has made a medium rebid, showing a single suited diamond hand in the medium range. So they'll be 16 to 18 and 6 diamonds. Well, we've got 6 hearts. So we might as well show our single suitor as well and hope that partner keeps bidding. Yes, they bid 4 hearts. Now we're to make game in hearts. Sure enough, partner had 6 diamonds, a 16 high card point hand and a perfect 3 diamond rebid. We've got 6 heart winners because the king's in the north hand, 2 spade losers, and that's all that we expect to lose. So 4 hearts should bring home 11 tricks. Win the ace of diamonds and draw trumps, and the only thing we need to do is to possibly make sure that we get all the trumps out before we play diamonds. We've got the rest of the tricks and the trumps are now drawn. We've got the king of diamonds opposite the small diamond. We've got top clubs, and so we'll just take our winners and the last 3 are trumps. So on this hand, both opener and responder had single suited hands. Single suits are 6 or more cards, and you rebid your suit at whichever point level, whether it's minimum, medium or maximum, you consider the hand to be.